Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to our video. We are from Group 5. We will show you about how to do an English presentation. Before we start, let me introduce ourselves. Hello, my name is Laura Imelda Arode.
Hello, my name is Dea Angela Mahalia.
Hello, my name is Rizka Fatmawati.
Hello, my name is Wildan Mauludana.
Tutorial presentation. First, you should open the presentation. Use this phrase to open the presentation. Good morning. Thank you for coming to this presentation. I'm honored to meet you here. Or, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm glad to see you all today. Or, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, or afternoon, or night. I would like to say thank you for your coming to our presentation. It's great to see you all. Next. Introduce team member. Next, you should introduce your team member to the audience. You can choose this phrase to introduce your team. Before starting this presentation, today I wanna introduce our group. Our group consists of blah blah blah, blah blah blah, and myself is blah blah blah. Or, okay, let me introduce myself and my partner. I am blah blah blah, and my partner is blah blah blah, blah blah blah, and blah blah blah. Or, before starting this presentation, we want to introduce our group members. We consist of blah 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 people. I am blah blah blah. Then there is blah blah blah. Then blah blah blah. And the last one is blah blah blah. For the example is, okay, let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Laura and my partner is Dea, Rizka, and Wildan. For the next slide, will be read by Dea Angela Mahalia.
Giving overview of the material. Next, you must provide an overview of the topic of the presentation that you will deliver. Use these phrases to giving overview the presentation. In this presentation, we would like to talk about blah 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 blah, or in this presentation we will discuss about blah 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 blah, or as you can see on the screen, our topic today is about blah 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 blah, or the topic of our presentation today is blah 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 blah. Example, in this presentation we would like to talk about Kotlin regularly. Next. Breaking the presentation. The next step is breaking the presentation. Use these phrases to break the presentation. The first chapter is about the definition about blah 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 that will be presented by blah 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 blah, or the second chapter is about blah 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 that will be presented by blah blah blah, or the third chapter is about blah 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 that will be presented by blah 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 blah, or the last chapter is about blah 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 that will be presented by blah 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 blah. Example, the first chapter is about the definition about Kotlin regularly that will be presented by Rizka. The next slide will be read by Rizka.
Giving signal that the presentation has ended. The next step is giving signal that the presentation has ended. You can see some of these phrases. The conclusion brings you to the end of this presentation today, or that is all about our presentation, or to end this presentation, let me just run over the key points again briefly, or that is end of our presentation. Inviting audience for a Q&A section. The next step is invite the audience to Q&A section. Some of the audience may be still not know about the material, so you can open the Q&A section using some of these phrases. If you have any question regarding about this presentation, please don't hesitate to ask. Or now we turn to question and answer section. If you have any question, or let's move to Q&A section. If you have question, you may ask now. Or is there any question? The next will be ready, will done.
Answering audience questions. We will try to answer any question you have. Or, okay, thanks for the question. We would like to answer the question from blah blah blah. It's about blah blah blah. Or, okay, thanks to blah 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 for asking a very good question. We will try to answer any question you have. For example, okay, thanks to Wildan for asking a very good question. We will try to answer any question you have. Next. Confirming audience questions. We always have time for some questions. Does anyone want to ask something? Or if you still have something to ask, we will be waiting for you. Please don't be hesitant to ask. Or is there anything else you want to ask? Next. And closing our presentation. Well, that's all from our group. Glad to be here today and share knowledge with all of you. Or if there is no more questions, I think it's enough for the Q&A section. Thank you so much, everyone, for your active participation in this discussion. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Or this is the end of our presentation. We hope this has given you a new insight into the topic of the blah blah blah. Or thank you for your listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Those were some common phrases that you can use in presentations. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to this presentation. I am glad to see you all today. Before starting this presentation, we want to introduce our group members. We consist of 4 people. I am Dea Angela Mahalia.
I am Laura Imelda Arode.
I am Rizka Fatmawati.
And I am Wildan Mauludana.
As you can see on the screen, our topic today is about Kotlin language.
For the first chapter is about definition Kotlin. It will be delivered by Dea Angela Mahalia. Next, for the second chapter is about why should we learn the language of Kotlin. It will be delivered by Laura Imelda Arode. Then, for the third chapter, it will be presented by Rizka Fatmawati, namely discussing about advantage of Kotlin. Lastly, we will discuss about disadvantage of Kotlin, and it will be delivered by Wildan Mauludana.
So let me begin this with a first chapter definition Kotlin. Kotlin is a programming language with static typing that run on the Java virtual machine or use the LLVM compiler with can also be compiled into JavaScript shortcode. The main developers are from a team of programmers from JetBrains, based in Russia. Although its syntax is not compatible with the Java language, Kotlin is designed to work closely with Java language code and released on Java language code from exciting Java class libraries such as various exciting Java framework. Next.
Next, let's move on the why learn Kotlin. Why learn Kotlin? Point 1. Open source Kotlin is free to use for free. Point 2. Kotlin isn't just on Android. Point 3. Many startups or large companies use and implement Kotlin. Point 4. Not hard to learn Kotlin. Point 5. Code or syntax written in Kotlin will avoid error. Point 6. Can be used to write JavaScript.
Now, let's move to the advantage of Kotlin. Advantage of Kotlin. Point 1. Kotlin programming language is more concise when compared to Java. Point 2. The easiest programming language to learn is Kotlin. Point 3. User has know if there is an error at the time of compilation because Kotlin is statically typed. Point 4. Kotlin has been equipped with advanced features with a variety of functions.
And lastly, is about disadvantage of Kotlin. And lastly, is about disadvantage of Kotlin. First, fluctuating compilation speed. Second, has a level of difficulty in the initial code that some developers find difficult to read. Third, Kotlin community that is still small or not growing fast. And lastly, because it's still relatively new, Kotlin developers are still hard to find.
To end this presentation, let me just run over the key points again briefly. Kotlin is a programming language that can be used to build Android applications easily and consistently. However, because it is still new, it makes it still difficult for the company to find a Kotlin programming language expert. And the demand for the Kotlin developer is increasing right now. So let's delve deeper into the Kotlin programming language.
Now we turn to question and answer question section. Perhaps any question?
Excuse me, can I give one question?
Sure.
What is the difference between Kotlin and Java?
All right. So firstly, extension in functions. In Kotlin, it is already available, and in Java, we need use to create a class. The second is null safety. In Kotlin, it is available, and in Java, isn't available. Then, the lastly is static members. Kotlin doesn't have a static member for a class, and in Java, it is available. Is that enough for answering your question?
Yes, that's enough.
Thank you for asking a good question.
You're welcome.
If there is no more question, I think it's enough for the Q&A section. Thank you so much, everyone, for your active participation in this discussion. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.